Hey, welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at WCI. And it's going to be a big week, folks, for economic data. We're kicking it off on Monday with some Chicago PMI, that Midwest Manufacturing Index. And then the Fed chairwoman, Yellen, is actually going to be speaking at a conference in Chicago. So that might throw the markets around a little bit. A lot of data on Tuesday. Final manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing PMI, and also construction spending. However, I think one of the biggest reports that we're gonna see a couple big reports this week, but some of them are going to be overseas. For example, China. We're going to get some Chinese manufacturing data this week, in addition to, wait for it, let's get to it, Friday, non-farm payroll for March. Okay, so we've seen about 3 months of kind of anemic job growth. The consensus is for about $1.96. Last time we saw 175. So I think the market's going to trade kind of in a sideways range until we get to that jobs report on Friday. But like I said, non-manufacturing PMI out of China. And also the regular manufacturing PMI could potentially cause some ripples across the Pacific there. HSBC final manufacturing PMI, because we really need to keep an eye on Asia here, folks. Last night, Sunday, over in the market in Asia, big mess for PMI out of Japan and industrial production, the most since Abe came into office, as you can see here. So Asia's not looking too good, and obviously Neville Chamberlain Kerry, of course, met with Lavrov, which has given Putin kind of cover, makes it look like he's trying to come up with a diplomatic solution, and as he's amassing forces on the border of Ukraine. And if somebody sneezes, he's going to be in there in the blink of an eye. So world events really are catching my eye, from macroeconomic data, also to just geopolitical and military. We've talked about this, that my biggest concern is that the couple dudes in China wake up one day and go, they took Crimea back, why can't we take Taiwan back? So I think there's a lot of worry in this market right now, and my traders at Wealth Creation with Options know that we're calling this what? This is kind of a square root market right now. So there you go. Or maybe it looks like the Starship Enterprise. So we got to, I think we trade sideways for the near term here. We obviously have first quarter earnings coming up, so earnings season will start heating up here in earnest. But we kind of got a square root going on here, and investors really aren't buying on the dips, and they're not chasing rallies. So a lot of people starting to sit on their hands a little bit in this market. But we're having an absolute blast here with our Wealth Creation with Options model portfolio. Look at the VIX down here at around 14, folks. Vol is getting cheap again. Vol's getting cheap. When vol's cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. Our model portfolio here at Wealth Creation with Options is up over $12,000 year to date. That's pretty shit hot, and just we crushed it in March, up nearly $13,700. Okay, so that's some pretty cool performance there. You can take a free test flight, get into our Sunday options program to brush you up on some of your options basics, and also to get some potential trade alerts with Wealth Creation with Options. It's a more conservative portfolio that I manage over some of the portfolios over at Top Gun Options. So click on the link here to get a test flight into our Wealth Creation with Options program. Got to run, folks. Got a weekly options live trading session I got to get ready for. So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with you over at Top Gun Options tomorrow with our Tuesday market sit rep. We'll see you.